Low hum. Static, a satellite view of Earth. Sirens faint in the background. When the sirens started, the world had just 12 minutes. Most people froze. Some prayed. A few moved. This isn't fiction. It's what would happen if tomorrow turned into fallout. Today, we answer one question. If you had no bunker, could you survive a nuclear war? A nuclear strike doesn't begin with the explosion. It begins with light, brighter than the sun, even 50 kilometers away. That flash is thermal radiation, hot enough to burn human skin in milliseconds. The first rule of survival: don't look, don't run. Drop, cover, and shield. At ground zero, there's no chance. But beyond the blast radius, 10 to 20 kilometers, survival is about timing and positioning. Concrete walls, basements, even parked cars, they all matter. The science says, if you find one dense layer between you and the flash within 10 seconds, you can reduce burns by 80%. But your fight isn't against the blast. It's against the next 48 hours. Radiation. The detonation creates a mushroom cloud, pulling dust, soil, and metal high into the sky. Then, the cloud dies and begins to fall back down. Every particle of dust becomes radioactive. Every rooftop turns into a silent killer. Rule 2. Get inside before the dust falls. That gives you 20 to 30 minutes after detonation. Max. You're looking for mass. Concrete, brick, or earth. Not distance, not beauty, just density. Even a city subway station offers protection levels similar to an underground bunker. Scientists call it the 7-10 rule. For every 7-fold increase in time, radiation levels drop by a factor of 10. After 7 hours, it's 1/10 as deadly. After 48 hours, it's 1%. You're sealed inside. No power, no internet, just silence. Now, what you do inside decides everything. 1. Block the drafts. Tape windows, cover vents, stop air leaks. Fallout dust is microscopic. One gap can poison a room. 2. Stay in the center. Radiation comes from outside walls and roofs. The more objects between you and the outside, the safer. 3rd track time. No phone. Use candle burns or shadow movement. Survival isn't just physical. It's mental endurance. 4. Ration water. Each person needs roughly 1 liter per day. Avoid tap water until 48 hours pass. Pipes may carry contaminated dust. 5. Control panic. Your heart rate determines oxygen use. Slow breathing saves both air and sanity. You don't need to eat for 2 days. The human body can survive 72 hours without food. But panic kills faster than hunger. Outside, radiation drops by the minute. Inside, hope decays slower than cesium-137. The outside world glows in shades of gray and orange. When you step out after 48 hours, you're not safe. You're just less doomed. Cover your mouth. Wear thick clothes. Avoid puddles. They trap radioactive particles. Move perpendicular to the wind. Fallout travels with it. Head upwind toward high ground. Radiation accumulates in low areas. Remember this. Every minute outside still counts. Limit exposure. Move only when necessary. The world looks calm, but invisible fire still burns. Those who survive the first 2 days face a new war, not of bombs, but of biology. Power grids collapse. Communication dies. Medical systems vanish. But humans are designed for chaos. From Hiroshima to Chernobyl, those who adapted lived longer than science predicted. The key isn't perfection, it's preparation. The mind that plans before panic begins. That's your real bunker. If the world ends, it won't be with fire. It'll be with silence. And the last survivors won't be the strongest, but the calmest. In a world built to burn, the quiet learn to endure.